How can a router be so creative? Well, I've been using a router for many decades. I'd be completely lost without one. It all relies on a tiny piece of metal spinning at an incredibly fast speed, the router cutter. So apart from plunge cutting, which is a novel technique of mine, I'm using it here to surface skim. Oh, it leaves the joints looking rather dull. So again, I can use the router to highlight the joints. Here I'm using simple MDF jigs to employ a very fine groove with the smallest diameter cutter that is available, around about 1.5 mm, and this groove highlights the joint, really depicts the joint for the particular piece of furniture that I'm making. And in case you're wondering, I'm using plywood.